Very quick video. I wanted to show you how I get rid of these little hard pieces here. So this is not how to get rid of dry skin, because if there was dry skin, then definitely you have to just, moisturize more. But sometimes we get these little pieces from just pressure. I do some weight training and things like that, so definitely we use our fingers, so this is what happens. The key is to smooth it, not to get rid of it completely. So just so you don't pick at it. I picked up these files, so you don't need fancy files. I just picked up these ones today. We'll see how they work. Yeah, they will work. You want to get something that's not very, very coarse. This is pretty good because it's a very thin file. Grab this file like so. Put it in this area, flat, and just smooth it. Because a file like that gives you a lot of precision. See how this is coming out? And you don't want to get rid of it completely. You want to feel for the area. It feels smoother. Perfect. This little piece is a little hard. So I'm going to set the file down, put a little bit of pressure. Feels smoother. Perfect. And now just a drop of oil. And this is how much oil I'm using. With the same drop, I'm going to put the rest of the drop on the rest of the nails. You don't need your hands to be dripping with oil, because very often people are afraid of using oil because of how greasy it feels. But you see, when you put very, very small amount, this is not going to be greasy. And then I just rub this into my hands. If it feels a little too greasy, you can just grab a towel, remove the excess, and you're done. And this is much, much better. And by the way, I don't recommend using these nippers to just cut the skin, because when you cut the skin is going to peel even worse and it's going to drive you crazy. So filing, smoothing it with the file is much better.